Remember to behave this time. Remember to behave this time. Wait, why is everything fish?
Remember to behave this time. Oh, I see that look. The food section.
Remember to behave this time. Wait, why is everything fish? Remember to behave this time.
Hey, stop that kitten! Oh, here we go again.
Remember to behave this time.
Hey, no sliding here!
Oh, you little rascal. Remember to behave this time. Remember to behave this time.
Wait, 10 cans of fish?
Is there a problem?
No, just surprised.
Remember to behave this time.
Looks like the kitten did the shopping today.
Remember to behave this time.
Next time, maybe you should stay home.
Remember to behave this time.
Oh, not again with the fish.
Remember to behave this time. Oh, you little rascal.